Accounting formats. Sole trader income statement. Name of sole trader. Income statement. For the year ended, date, $signs. Sales. Less returns inwards. Net sales. Cost of sales. Opening stock. Add purchases. Less returns outwards. Add carriage inwards. Less closing stock. Cost of sales. Net sales less cost of sales. Gross profit. Add discount received. Less expenses. Carriage outwards. Discount allowed. Rent. Salaries. Total expenses. Profit for the year. Sole trader balance sheet or statement of financial position. Name of sole trader. Balance sheet, statement of financial position. At year ended, date, $signs. Non-current assets. Land. Buildings. Machinery and equipment. Motor vehicle. Total non-current assets. Current assets. Stock inventory. Accounts receivable. Bank. Cash. Total current assets. Less current liabilities. Loan. Accounts payable. Total current liabilities. Working capital or net current assets. Capital employed. Capital. Opening balance. Add profit for the year. Less drawings. Owner's equity. Partnership appropriation account. Name of partnership. Appropriation account. For the year ended, date, $signs. Profit for the year. Add interest on drawings. Partner 1. Partner 2. Less interest on capital. Partner 1. Partner 2. Less salary based on agreement. Shares of residual profits based on agreement or share equally. Partner 1. Partner 2. Partnership statement of financial position. Name of partnership. Statement of financial position. At date. $signs. Non-current assets. Current assets. Less current liabilities. Working capital or net current assets. Capital employed. Less non-current liability. Loan from partner 1. Capital accounts. Partner 1. Partner 2. Current accounts. Partner 1. Partner 2. Opening balance. Interest on capital. Share of residual profits. Less interest on drawings. Limited company appropriation account. Name of limited company. Appropriation account. For the year ended, date, $signs. Profit for the year. Less transferred to general reserve. Proposed dividends. Preference shares. Ordinary shares. Retained profit for the year. Add retained profits brought forward. Retained profits to carry forward. Limited company income statement. Name of limited company. Income statement. For the year ended, date, $signs. Revenue. Less returns inwards. Net sales. Cost of sales. Opening stock. Add purchases. Less closing stock. Cost of sales. Gross profit. Auditor's remuneration. administration expenses, debenture interest, depreciation of non-current assets, director's remuneration, distribution costs, rent, salaries, total expenses, profit for the year. Limited company statement of financial position. Name of limited company. Statement of financial position at year ended date. $. Non-current assets. Cost. Total depreciation. Net. Land and buildings. Motor vehicle. Current assets. Stock, inventory. Accounts receivable. Bank. Cash. Less current liabilities, accounts payable, debenture interest due, proposed dividends, net current assets, capital employed, non-current liabilities, 10% debenture, equity, authorized share capital, 800,000 ordinary shares of $1 each, 100,000 6% preference shares of $1 each. Issued share capital, 500,000 ordinary shares of $1 each, 100,000 6% preference shares of $1 each. Share premium, general reserve, retained profits. Cooperative society income statement. Name of cooperative society, income statement, for the year ended, date, $. Revenue, less cost of sales, opening inventory, add purchases, less closing inventory, cost of sales, gross profit. Name of cooperative society, income statement, for the year ended, date, $. Gross profit, add interest on investments, membership fees, less administration costs, general expenses, depreciation of non-current assets, surplus for the year. Cooperative society appropriation account. Name of cooperative society, appropriation account, for the year ended, date, $. Surplus for the year, less transfer to statutory reserve, transfer to education fund, secretary's honorarium, dividends paid to members, undistributed surplus for the year, add undistributed surplus brought forward, undistributed surplus to carry forward. Cooperative society statement of financial position. Name of cooperative society, statement of financial position, at year ended, date, $. Non-current assets, cost, total depreciation, net. Investments in other retail cooperatives, current assets, stock, inventory, accounts receivable, investment interest due, cash in hand and bank, less current liabilities, accounts payable, general expenses due, membership fees received in advance, net current assets, capital employed, capital and reserves, share capital, statutory reserve, education fund, undistributed surplus. Non-profit organizations receipts and payments account. Name of non-profit organization, receipts and payments account, for the year ended, date. Receipts, $. Opening balance of cash in hand and at bank, members' subscriptions, sales of refreshments, donation from local business, loan from member, payments, $, hire of community hall, refreshment costs, guest speakers fees, interest on loan from member, purchase of equipment, club secretaries expenses, closing balances of cash in hand and at bank. Manufacturing account. Name of manufacturer. Manufacturing account. For the year ended date. $. Raw materials. Open an inventory of raw materials. Add purchases, carriage of raw materials, returns outwards, less closing inventory of raw materials, cost of raw materials consumed, direct wages, prime cost, factory overheads, repairs to machinery, electricity, insurance, indirect wages and salaries, rent, depreciation of machinery, adjustment for work in progress, add opening inventory, less closing inventory, cost of production. Manufacturing company income statement. Name of manufacturing company income statement. For the year ended date, $, revenue, cost of sales, opening inventory of finished goods, cost of production, closing inventory of finished goods, cost of sales, gross profit, less administrative expenses, insurance, rent, selling expenses, profit for the year. Manufacturing company statement of financial position. Statement of financial position for a manufacturing company is same as other businesses, except there are 3 figures for inventories. 1. Raw materials. 2. Work in progress. 3. Finished goods.